Drones have become one of the most exciting gadgets for photography, videography, and outdoor adventures. Modern drones now come with 8K cameras, GPS tracking, obstacle avoidance, and long-range flight, making aerial filming easier than ever. In this video, we'll take a look at the top 5 best drones in 2026. Whether you're a beginner or someone who loves aerial photography, these drones offer great features at affordable prices. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. VIVO SG901 Max GPS Drone. First on our list is the VIVO SG901 Max GPS Drone, a foldable quadcopter designed for aerial photography and outdoor flying. It features GPS positioning, optical flow stabilization, and brushless motors for smoother and more stable flight. The drone includes a wide-angle 4K camera with adjustable angle, supports obstacle avoidance, and can fly for about 20 to 25 minutes on a single charge. The SG901 Max is a great entry-level GPS drone for beginners who want stable flight and decent aerial shots. Thanks to GPS and optical flow positioning, the drone can hover steadily, making it easier to capture photos and videos. Pros: GPS positioning for stable flight, foldable design for portability, brushless motors for smoother operation, adjustable wide-angle camera, around 20 to 25 minutes flight time. If you want an affordable GPS drone with solid stability and beginner-friendly controls, the SG901 Max is a good option. Number 2. VIVO Mini D16 Drone. Next is the VIVO Mini D16 Drone, a compact quadcopter featuring a dual camera system with 8K photo capability and a 180-degree adjustable lens. It includes optical flow positioning and obstacle avoidance, which helps the drone maintain stable flight indoors and outdoors. This drone focuses on portability and ease of use. Its small size makes it easy to carry in a backpack, while the adjustable camera allows users to capture different aerial angles. Pros: lightweight and portable, dual camera system, adjustable 180-degree camera angle, optical flow stabilization, beginner-friendly controls. The Mini D16 is a great beginner drone for casual flying and simple aerial photography. Number 3. VIVO X226/VIVO X226 VR Drone. At number 3, we have the VIVO X226/VIVO X226 VR Drone, a foldable quadcopter equipped with an 8K HD wide-angle camera and Wi-Fi FPV real-time transmission. It also comes with a large-screen remote controller, making it easier to view live footage while flying. The X226 drone is designed for immersive flying experiences. The FPV transmission lets users see what the drone camera sees in real time, which is great for aerial exploration. Pros: 8K camera support, FPV real-time video transmission, foldable portable design, large screen remote controller, easy to control. If you want an affordable drone with FPV flying experience and large screen controller, the X226 is worth considering. Number 4. VIVO GT8 Drone. Next, we have the VIVO GT8 Drone, a professional-style quadcopter equipped with an 8K HD camera, obstacle avoidance sensors, and brushless motors. It also includes multiple batteries and a large screen controller, giving users longer flight sessions. The GT8 is built for longer aerial photography sessions. The obstacle avoidance system helps prevent crashes, while the brushless motors provide better efficiency and durability. Pros: 8K aerial camera, obstacle avoidance system, brushless motors, foldable design, extra batteries for longer flight. The GT8 is ideal for users who want longer flight sessions and improved obstacle detection. Number 5. V168 Max GPS Drone. Finally, we have the V168 Max GPS Drone, one of the most feature-packed drones in this list. It offers an 8K camera with electronic image stabilization, 5G transmission, GPS tracking, and 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The drone also features a 4.5-inch screen remote controller and up to about 28 minutes of flight time. The V168 Max is designed for aerial photography enthusiasts who want advanced features at an affordable price. With GPS follow-me mode and long transmission range, it can capture more dynamic shots. Pros: 8K camera with stabilization, up to 28 minutes flight time, 5G transmission with long range, GPS follow-me feature, 360-degree obstacle avoidance. If you want a feature-rich drone with GPS tracking, long flight time, and advanced obstacle avoidance, the V168 Max is one of the best choices in this price category. Alright, that was our list of the top 5 best drones in 2026. If you want a beginner-friendly drone, the Mini D16 is a great starting point. For GPS stability and smooth flight, the SG901 Max is a solid option. And if you want the most advanced features on this list, the V168 Max offers long flight time and powerful camera capabilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more tech reviews.